made us all rich. Now it takes a bushel of rubies to buy a single loaf of bread.
It's worse than being poor.
It's things like this that show you who
your friends really are? Okay, there's a pretty good chance I could fix this problem. I can handle this! Ha! Fight that! Of course you realize I'm merely toying with you! That's it! Super genie. Make room for... Or perhaps not.
I'll never be a French chef again. I'll never be a French fry again.
Genie!
Don't say it. You've proven your point. Keep the powers, but I refuse to listen to your gloating.
But
I'm not listening. I'm not listening. No, no, no.
Everything I did was a disaster. Will you cut that out?
Oh, were you talking to me?
I'm trying to tell you. Look out! You gotta show me how to give your powers back before we learn all about our friend, the small intestine!
You really mean it? You don't want to be a genie?
I have never been so sincere! So what do we need? A lamp table, some lightning?
Oh, that was just for show. Here, pull my finger.
You aren't serious.
Go ahead.
Oh, I can't believe I'm...
What seems to be the problem? Oh, yes. Mr. Esophagus. Oh, I do hope this doesn't leave a nasty ring around the city.
Just about to try that.
No time to chat. Busy, busy.
What do you mean? 2 figs for a whole carton of gems? They're worth 4 figs if they're worth a raisin.
gems are worth nothing. Now, if you want to trade for the dark...
Never! Figs! Hundreds of figs! We are rich! Ducky! We are rich!
There goes our river.
And good riddance. So tell me, Kasim, what do you know about cactus farming?
See, Aladdin? Everything's just as we left it.
You're right. I've never seen Agrabah so peaceful. The streets are almost empty. I wonder where everybody is.
Okay. So a few things didn't work out. I still say...
Step right up and dunk the chump. 3 balls for a shekel. Right here. A shekel talks and nobody walks. Step right